Hello antique silver coin lovers, this is 5 cents silver coin of Straits settlements of British ruler King George V of 1926. These coins were minted in 1926. Mintage were 10 millions and in 1935 3 millions only. Mint, Royal Mint of London, United Kingdom. Weight is 1.26 grams. Diameter is 16 millimeters. Thickness is only 1 millimeter. Reeded edge. Silver contains 0.600, means 60% silver. Strait means a narrow passage of water connecting two oceans or other large areas of water. Malacca, Dineding, Penang, Singapore, Prince of Wales Island, Seberang, Perai, Christmas Island, Cocos Islands, Labuan, off the coast of Borneo, Malaysia regions were included in Straits settlements under British government. From 1942 to 1945, Japanese occupation was there because of World War II. On this river side, Straits settlements, 5 cents value. $1926. On this obverse side, picture of King George V looking at left side, George V, King and Emperor of India. The Straits settlements were a group of British territories located in Southeast Asia, originally established in 1826 as part of territories controlled by British East India Company. The Straits settlements came under the direct British control as a crown colony on 1st April 1867. The colony was dissolved in 1946 as part of the British reorganization of its Southeast Asian dependencies following the end of Second World War. The Straits settlements originally considered of the four individual settlements of Malacca, Dunedin, Penang, and Singapore. Thank you for watching.